It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see.
And we have arrived! Old Bubble Factory in Waterloo.
Not too bad, how are you? Four of you?
Yes.
Wonderful. There we go. Wonderful.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Ooh, hot chocolate! Yeah, take one! Yay! Thank you!
Cheers, mate.
Hot chocolate! Welcome drink! Come on, guys! Yeah, go on! Go, go, go! You excited? Look at this sorting office! Hello! You made a bubble! Show me! Are you decorating?
So there's some dry oranges, there's some lovely flowers.
Yeah.
Roses, so snowflakes.
Yes.
And I got
Bubbles.
lots of oranges.
Oranges, yeah. Looks really cool.
And I found this little pretty jewel, but I didn't get time to
Berry.
eat it.
You know who loves berries? They were talking about those. Robins? Yeah. They're on a berry diet, they said. Yeah? Yeah. Heidi, show me your bubble. Ooh.
Mama took some oranges, but it's so cute.
Hold it up, hold it up. Are you still doing decorating, yeah?
Stickers!
Look at the elves. Help us. Ooh.
There we go.
Wishes. And the bubbles children made. Yeah. Where are we going? We finished our bubbles. Wishmas market. Let's go. Ooh. Look at these guys. Guys, look at these. And that's the train. Look at it, you can purchase some nice t-shirts. Sabi, look at all the... Ooh. That's a money box. Yeah? Beautiful trees. Yeah? Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Look at this. Look at it. Gabby. That's cocomelon. Yeah?
Pick character. Yeah, pick it up for me. And then pop it on the top of the box. There you go, you got it. Pop it on the top. Turn the volume up.
They don't just sell them here, they sell them
You hear it? It's a bit loud in here, so you might...
It's really cool for kids. It's like a
Someone's turned the volume all the way down.
character that you create. You put it in the top and it tells the story for the character.
Like if you hear it?
Like you put it up here. Savannah, what was your favourite experience about this place? Well, there's lots. We saved the wishes and we have only got one. So I think we was trying to save the wishes.
Yeah. And what is this in your hair, the white bait, Savannah? What happened?
We made it snow.
You made it snow. Yes.
Mine was the
You love the train ride. That was amazing, isn't it?
yeah.
We went high up in the sky to the North Pole.
Yeah, but I don't think it was actually in here. But it doesn't matter.
So, and what about making your bubbles?
Yeah, it's my second.
Yes. Okay. Lovely.
Thank you for watching this video.